welcome back. This is Anuj here, and today I wanted to explain you guys how webhooks actually work. So, to make you guys completely understand how webhooks work, uh, I have built this e-com website where people are going to purchase products and clothes. So basically, whenever a person goes and purchases a cloth, maybe this clothes, and he goes to the checkout for purchasing, he obviously shares his detail. He selects whichever like uh, plan he wants to get the delivery. Yeah, and this website is also cash on delivery. Now, what happens to the info? What happens to the info he shares to this website? This info which he shares to this website goes to this webhook. So basically, all the info he shares to the website shares that info to the webhook URL. So this webhook URL, which is integrated to the website, and then when this info goes to the webhook URL through our n8n automation, we use this info. Here we can see the content. So we use this info, and then we will append our sheets, like we will store the information of our order in the Google Sheets, and then later on we're going to use our assistant to mail us about our new order, and that's the whole workflow all about. So now you guys are aware of how the workflow is. Like, you guys are aware of the gist. Now let's see a practical example of the workflow. Let me pin all data, unpin all data. Whenever the person comes and sets up his order here, and then he confirms his order, then the webbook is complete. Like, the our website will send all the information to the webbook, and then the automation works. So basically, you guys can see the webbook receives the information here, all the data of the customer, and then it goes to this email node, where it will append all the information to the new row, and then later on the assistant agent will prepare a top-notch email and then send it to the owner, send it to owner, like a new order has arrived, a so-called person has ordered so-called product. And yeah, so this is how uh, webhooks actually work in n8n. And so you guys can also use this webhooks in your websites and all. So basically, the whole idea of this video was to show you guys how you can use n8n as a backend nowadays. And yeah, that's all the video is all about. Thank you for watching this video. And if you guys also want like this cool websites with automation, then you guys can comment down uh, upscale, and that's it. Keep on upscaling.